Hi Year 2, happy Monday. I hope you all had a great weekend. Now this week I'm going to be doing the spelling and handwriting videos. Before we look at the words that we're going to focus on this week, let's take a look at the spelling shed table. In fourth place we have 2W, third place is 2SH, second place is 2CH, and in first place is my class 2L with an absolutely whopping score of over 120 million. Well done everyone. I'm going to give everyone in 2L a dojo and keep it up. Now, normally our lists of spellings follow a set rule. For example, last week you practiced learning contractions. The week before you practiced words ending in ER. This week, we don't have a set rule. We're looking at common exception words, also known as tricky words. So, common exception words are words that do not follow the common phonetic spelling rules. These are also called tricky words or sight words, as you must learn to recognise them and can't sound them out. They aren't decodable using the normal rules and letter sounds in phonics. Here are our spelling words for this week, so we're going to read through them together. Even if you're not in a particular group, you can still have a go at reading them aloud with me. Let's start with yellow group. Love, come, some, once, one. Can you notice anything that all of these common exception words have in common? They all have the letter O, but it's not making an O sound. So there is a slight theme with those ones. Let's look at red group now. Many, clothes, busy, people, water. Blue group, you have all of those and then two more on top. Let's read those ones now. Climb, father. And green group, you have all of those and the last two on your list. Parents, beautiful. Now there's many more common exception words which we'll practice throughout year 2, but I chose these particular ones as I think they'll be very useful for our writing on the Great Explorer. Now I'd like you to pause the video and have a go at spoodling your group's spelling words. Remember, spoodling is a combination of spelling and doodling, so you can do this in any way you like. You might like to try rainbow writing, which I've done, bubble writing, the pyramid method, or any other fancy way you can think of practicing your words. Now it's time for a game of blankety blank. So you need to find the missing word in each sentence. All of the missing words have been taken from this week's spelling lists. So with each sentence, I would like you to write the missing word so you can practice the spelling. This could be on a whiteboard or a piece of paper. It doesn't matter if you want to just write the word or if you want to write the whole sentence as well. Here's the first one then. Tom packed lots of warm, comfy for his journey. Well done. So our missing word was clothes. Tom packed lots of warm, comfy clothes for his journey. Check your spelling for that as well to make sure it's correct. Here's the next one then. Tom was determined to rescue his who was lost at the North Pole. And the missing word is father. Tom was determined to rescue his father who was lost at the North Pole. He saw tall, glistening icebergs in the... Well done. So the missing word, of course, is water. He saw tall, glistening icebergs in the water. He couldn't see any other. He was completely alone. Our answer is people. He couldn't see any other people. He was completely alone. And the last one now. Tom hoped he wouldn't have to up any mountains. And our last missing word is climb. Tom hoped he wouldn't have to climb up any mountains. Excellent, well done. Now you could have a go at this at home. Why don't you try writing some sentences about Tom's adventures using words from our common exception words list. Remember to send them in to our email address afterwards. And our final activity today is a word search. I wonder if you can find the words many, clothes, busy, people and water. Good luck. Brilliant job again, Year 2. Well done. I'll see you tomorrow where we're going to go on a bit of a spelling treasure hunt. But before that, if you'd like to send any of your work in to our Year 2 email address, which should appear here like magic, then please do, because I'd love to show it in some of our videos later in the week. See you later. Bye.